अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। दरजा यूथ क्लब में आज हमारे पास तशरीफ़ लाए हैं ज़ोरैन मलिक। तो ज़ोरैन मलिक से बात करते हैं और इनका पहला दिन है तो इनकी असेसमेंट करते हैं कि इनकी ऑलरेडी क्या सिचुएशन है। तो उसके बाद हम इनकी असेसमेंट करके डायग्नोस करेंगे और उसके बाद वर्किंग करेंगे कि इनको कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया जाए। इनका पहले लेवल डिफ़ाइन करेंगे। सो ज़ोरैन से पूछते हैं। हेलो ज़ोरैन,
Hi,
हाउ आर यू?
I am fine. What's about you?
आई एम आल्सो फाइन, थैंक यू। ज़ोरैन, व्हाई यू आर हियर?
I am here to learn spoken skills.
Okay, you want to learn spoken English skill.
Yes,
So in which class do you read?
I read pre-9 class.
You are in pre-ninth.
Yes,
So what are your future plans?
my future plan is civil engineers.
You want to be a civil engineer.
Yes,
So you want to build roads and bridges and buildings for us. Thank you in anticipation. Advance में आपका शुक्रिया इतना अच्छा पुल बनाने के लिए.
yes.
So what are your hobbies?
My hobby is cricket,
You like cricket?
Yes.
And why?
but I play cricket, and when I play cricket, my fitness is good. That's why I play cricket.
Okay. So you want to become a civil engineer and part time you are playing cricket.
Yes.
So are you reading books?
Yes,
Yes. Reading is a good habit. It will increase your vocabulary and many other things. So you are speaking English at the A1 level. So A1 is not Pakistani A1. International grade system A1 is 0. So you are not placing proper helping verb and other thing. So we are going to work on pronunciation and from A1 to almost B2. So I want to every kid in the village at the B2 level. B2 is an intermediate English speaker. Nice to meet you, Zoran.
nice to meet you too.